clause and all. What is that?
Certain clause means?
म्हणजे एक notification येयला आयज फिशरी येते ऑल गोवा पर्सेंटेज असोसिएशनांनी देखून म्हटलें की आमकां स्टेक होल्डर्सांक कॉन्फिडन्सान घेयना आसतना न्यू लॉ.
All these years there were no registration of all fishing activities like fish traders, fish vendors, and government could not control their activities. Maybe for legal or illegal things. That's why government has decided to take all the fishing business or business traders and vendors to take in the ambit of Director of Fisheries Department. So we have notified them to come and register.
So that is one thing. Other thing is that उनकी fees बाल आयल्या या इतून pandemic म्हणटा ते fees वाढोवपाचे.
If they are not able to pay, then they have to write to government. They are unable to pay for giving the reasons.
पण हे एक्झॅक्ट ते म्हणटा आम्ही जेन्ना
fee is not a question. Question is the registration. Some people give reason for high fees.
Okay.
So my question is, let them first register. Benefit to them only we are doing.
आमकां काबार गो आमचे फिशिंग बिझनेस म्हणटा ते काबार करतले.
Registration will not finish their business. Registration has a different objectives, different meaning. Some wants to do fishing activities without the knowledge of the department. That's why.
No, but they are talking about the stallers or boatingचे पळय कितें सगळे फीज वाडवल्या पळय तेजेर.
Let them write to me.
So sir, WRD has funded 15 projects. Okay, which are there?
I'm not aware.
Your department only, no, sir?
My department has given the information to
the CM. Yeah, but which are these projects?
You need to find out from the Chief Secretary because it is their officials' requirement. It's not a minister to answer.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.